Hello, good morning. My name is Edison Alexander Moreno. I belong to the course English A2, the group 513. I am going to talk my work in the lost city of Petra. Hello, Mom. I am the lost city of Petra with my friend Jamile and Enrique. Because of the hat, Enrique and I are in conformable clothes Bermuda to share, and Jamile is a laundress. With our hearts, we come to know the city, its stone, its structure, the trees you name it, and of course its altar of sacrifice. In this photo we are cruising the city. Next you can see a camel. They are majestic. We are very excited about the experience. It's wonderful to be able to feel such beauty and enjoy friends. The lost city of Petra is wonderful, mysterious and majestic. Movie to the old age. Excursion, I should think how life could be at that time. What we like most is how mysterious I can combine what affects us a little more in the water and the dust that is generated by being in the middle of the sun. Beyond that, we are fascinated. Greeting for Petra. See you soon. Thank you.